I'm over here at Washington Ho's house from House of Ho to make a great lunch with lots of meat, lots of crawfish, and some great vibes.
What's up, guys?
That's picana. Yeah, so it's gonna be the end cap of the sirloin towards the butt part.
Okay.
It's a piece that's in terms of sirloin, slightly more tough. That's how you smoke it. But whenever you smoke it, man, it comes out really good.
Really?
I have that seasoning since last night, so it's have a nice deep flavor in there.
That's good cooking. Thank you very much. No. She's
One second. These are gonna be not skirt steaks, it's gonna be sirloin.
okay.
Normally it's skirt steaks, but with some of the higher end are the better fajitas. Sirloin's, I like sirloin better because it has more flavor and a bit more soft as well. Appreciate it. No. Yeah.
Do you speak Spanish? No.
Poquito.
Ah, okay.
No mucho.
Where are you from?
From Texas, South Texas, Corpus Christi.
Oh, Corpus Christi.
Yeah, near Robstown, Texas.
Oh yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about.
You know Robstown?
I'm from Brownsville.
Okay. Very simple. Yeah, just mince. Just put it in a blender. When I'm not cooking around people, I use a food processor. Don't worry. All for the show. All for the gram. Hello.
We would have been up. We would have been up on this one. We could have eaten. Yeah.
Let's go. Spice on everything. No.
What part of the Midwest?
Michigan.
Okay, my wife's from Chicago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Some of the best food is in Chicago.
Oh, it's so great. We go there at least once a year and we gain like 5 pounds each time.
Yeah. So what do you think is the best food city in America?
Oh, it's a tough one. I like thin crust pizza, so New York pizza.
Okay, so New
I
York.
could live off if there were no consequences at all.
Yeah.
I would eat a slice of New York style thin sliced pizza every day.
I know.
I come from a small town, so yeah, like
yeah.
I came to Houston, I was like, it's too overwhelming. Yeah, Chef Lionel Left or Chef Lion Elf.
Yeah, I know. How spicy is that?
Not too spicy at all. It's more looks the red, but spiciness 1 out of 10 if that.
Are you gonna start y'all smiling together?
Yeah, let me wipe off my sweat. Private Chefs is 2014 full time, but like content making since 2022.
Gotcha.
And that's whenever I was with Liver King. When I started with Liver King.
Did you imagine you'd be here when you first started this?
Oh no, not at all. It was a hobby. Yeah, it was a hobby and just kind of blossomed. No, just dirty rice.
Right? Before we finish with it. Come over here.
We're gonna record a presentation.
Come on, guys.
You want a big knife? You want a big knife?
Yeah.
Watch out!
Pinanha, guys. Humongous. Come here, man.
I'm Chef Lionel. I'm here with Washington from House of Ho and White House Global Properties to make a great dinner, to make a great lunch for him and his team. What do we have in Washington?
We are having some fajita meat, short ribs, my favorite, picanha. We've got tomahawk here.
All right, some picanha. There we go. Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
I'll take some.
Here you go, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Picanha.
You've been doing this for, you said 20.
Whatever, yeah. Get what you want, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it looks very refreshing.
Almost made it a little easier.
You guys that one? Cheers.
If you want to get more of us video, just subscribe to the channel for we can record more of cooking videos.
I like the boats.
Make sure to like and subscribe.